Alright guys, big update today on the crypto space, as the whole crypto space right now guys is bloody this Monday, jumping hard after the war starting right now in the Middle East. Will the crypto space survive this? Will Bitcoin survive this? This is what we're gonna discover here in this video guys. So first of all, as we've seen guys, now Bitcoin has struggled to break above the 28k level, and now right now Bitcoin is on that trend line, still holding that local structure of high highs, high lows so far guys. Now we still need Monday's range to play out to see what's gonna happen here next, as a lot of people now were expecting a black swan event to happen after the war started on the weekend, and a lot of people were expecting a big dump on Monday. But so far here guys, we did not see a huge dump so far here on Monday, a mere 1.6% here dump on Bitcoin, but altcoins are mainly the ones that are affected here the most guys, as we can see, but still not that bad, around that 5%, 10% for most of the altcoins here guys. Now as I said guys, on this previous video, what I told you to expect some more pain to come in the future, war or no war, this was going to happen. As we've seen now, Bitcoin dominance is rallying, which usually means now guys that a lot of money is leaving altcoins, a lot of money is leaving altcoins here and going towards Bitcoin. Now so far Bitcoin is holding strong, mainly because that money is flowing from altcoins toward Bitcoin, and we need Bitcoin to hold. Now I know it's frustrating to see altcoins dumping and see our portfolios down right now guys, but that's important as well. We need Bitcoin to stay healthy, we need Bitcoin to hold these levels. As for this week guys, we have a lot of big news coming in now. As of Wednesday, we have the FOMC meeting coming, and on Thursday we have the US CPI as well coming. This could mean a lot here for us. This week could be highly volatile here for the crypto space, so we want to stay safe here guys. We want to stay on the safer side. If you are trading leverage, you want to stay on the safer side. This week we're gonna have a lot of volatility coming, and so far we are holding 27k, which is really bullish amid what's happening right now guys with the war in the Middle East. Bitcoin is holding strong, which is a good sign guys so far. Now if you are holding altcoins, as I said guys, I'm holding altcoins. Everyone right now on the crypto space is holding altcoins. It's very normal to experience those red days, those red weeks here and there. On the bright side, Monday open, nothing happened, no black swan events, nothing like that, which is really bullish so far here. And as we can see here guys, the fear and greed index is still on that neutral, meaning that nobody is fearful here and nobody is greedy here. The market right now guys is undecided, meaning that nobody really knows here what's gonna happen next. The market is waiting for a reaction right now. The whole market is waiting for a direction. As we can see right now guys, there is no clear direction so far here on Bitcoin. This means guys that right now Israel and Ukraine both are asking money from the US, and this means guys that the US will need to print more money, and this FOMC meeting here is gonna be very crucial right now here. In my opinion, this is going to be the most important FOMC meeting of this year. If the Fed starts cutting rates aggressively, that would mean that we're gonna get some aggressive printing going on to save the US. This means guys, we're gonna get a massive rally that's gonna take everyone by surprise. Now the point here guys, the market is at neutral. Usually this reminds me a lot of the start of a bull market, where everyone does not expect it to happen. Usually when we get those huge rallies, they do happen when nobody expects them to happen, and right now we are at that neutral state, which is really good right now. So as long as we hold 25k here on Bitcoin, we are good to go for a huge massive rally. And as soon as we gonna get Bitcoin dominance around that 58% / 60% level, this is when we're gonna get that altcoin season. People that live through these red weeks to these bloody weeks, those people are gonna be the winners of the next bull market guys. So stay tuned with crypto. Do not leave the crypto space, as this is the right time to be in the crypto space, not when everything is green and everything is pumping in it and you're feeling FOMO to jump in. That's not the right time. Now is the right time guys. Now is the right time to be in the crypto space. Keep an eye on what's gonna happen right now guys. Now we have an important week, especially with everything that's happening right now. You wanna stay alert right now guys. You wanna keep an eye on the crypto space, on what's gonna happen here. You don't want to miss what's gonna happen here next guys. Don't get faded of what's gonna happen. Don't lose faith right now. The crypto space right now, Bitcoin and the whole altcoins are very low in volatility, very low in volume, which meaning people who wanted to sell already sold, people who wanted to buy already bought. So the market right now is in the sideways range, which meaning the buyers and sellers are both exhausted. Nobody is left to either sell and nobody is left to buy, unless we get some major news like BlackRock and Fidelity Bitcoin ETF gets approved, and then we get a huge liquidity coming into the space, and that guys is what's gonna send the prices higher. As you can see now guys, nothing is affecting Bitcoin anymore. Nobody's trying to sell, nobody's trying to buy. buyers and sellers are both exhausted. They've played their card, and now they are waiting. People who bought, and people who sold already sold, unless we get, of course, some huge black swan events, which even now, guys, we just got it. This war starting in the Middle East, and nothing happened in the charts right now, guys. Nothing is happening, so we're gonna keep an eye, guys. This is the most important right now, is to wait for that Wednesday FOMC, and especially that CPI as well on Thursday. So these are the most important dates right now here this week. As I said, ignore the red days, live through the red days so you can see the green days. That's my message to you here, guys. So do not leave the crypto space right now. This is the right time to in fact be in the crypto space. And remember, guys, if you enjoy this type of videos, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you are trading derivatives, guys, there is a huge competition going on right now on FairDesk with 1.8 million USDT for grabs for the winners, as well as $4,000 daily bonuses for top 10 traders. You don't need no KYC, no VPN to use this exchange right now, guys. As now a lot of people are asking me now that they are leaving Bybit. Bybit is slowly rolling out of a lot of countries right now, asking for KYC. So now FairDesk is the one I'm using right now here, guys. So I'll leave you the link in the description for those that are interested. As well, using that link means you get a VIP 5, which means that your fees get drastically reduced, and as well you get up to $35,000 on your deposit, guys. So for those that are interested, I'll leave you the link in the description. Now you can as well join my Discord, link in the description. I share all my day trades there. Now thank you again for watching this video, and remember, this is my humble opinion and nothing is financial advice, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.